Welcome to SurePass, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Introduction to Justifying Circumstances. Ano nga ba itong mga tinatawag nating justifying circumstances? Justifying circumstances are those where the act of a person is said to be in accordance with law, so that such person is deemed not to have transgressed the law and is free from both criminal and civil liability. Ang ginawa ng offender ay naaayon sa batas natin. Since naaayon ito sa batas natin, necessarily wala siya dapat pananagutan. Sa Pilipinas, saan napaloob itong mga justifying circumstances? Makikita ang mga ito sa Article 11, the Revised Penal Code, Book 1. Basis of Justifying Circumstance. The basis of the rule on justifying circumstances is lack of dolo or criminal intent on the part of the accused. Yung offender, kapag may justifying circumstances, ay gumawa siya ng isang bagay out of necessity or within the bounds of law. Yung ginawa niya yun ay hindi niya ginawa dahil may intent siyang gumawa ng krimen, kundi out of necessity na kailangan nga niyang ipagtanggol ang sarili niya o ang iba. Kung ang isang tao ay nakagawa ng mga act na considered justifying circumstance, sino ngayon ang magpapatunay na considered niya itong justifying circumstance or pasok siya as justifying circumstance? An accused who pleads any justifying circumstance in Article 11 of the Revised Penal Code admits to the commission of acts that show the commission of a crime. It thus becomes his burden to prove the justifying circumstance with clear and convincing evidence. Otherwise, his conviction for the crime charge follows. This principle is embodied in the legal maxim, "El incumbet probation, quidicet non quenegat." He who asserts, not he who denies, must prove. Example, kung ako ay nakakapatay ng ibang tao dahil pinagtanggol ko lang naman ang sarili ko, kailangan ko ngayon patunayan na self-defense lang yung nangyari. Rule as to civil liability in justifying circumstances. Since there is no crime, necessarily there is no civil liability ex delicto or civil liability arising from the crime. However, in cases falling within subdivision 4 or avoidance of greater evil of Article 11, the persons for whose benefit the harm has been prevented shall be civilly liable in proportion to the benefit which they may have received. We will discuss this further in a separate video. Sabi natin kanina na sa Article 11 ang mga justifying circumstances. Ano ang mga ito? The following are the justifying circumstances: self-defense, defense of relatives, defense of strangers, avoidance of a greater evil, fulfillment of duty, and obedience to an order issued for some lawful purpose. We will be discussing each of the justifying circumstances in separate videos. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.